Hello people, it's Wednesday. I'm back with another video. So I really hope that everybody are staying in their houses and following the quarantine. Everybody are supporting the country at this point of time is absolutely necessary. See, yesterday Narendra Modi announced that you need to stay or we all need to stay for 21 days extra to fight against this corona disease. And we all need to, because we don't know how it spreads or we don't know what are the chances of our likeliness to get affected to this disease. So we need to stay isolated. This is needed. So these 21 days, please support the country, and as a well-wisher of the country, as a well-wisher of you, I'm saying this, please support the country, and please, we all can fight against this coronavirus. So let us move into the topic. So the dates are extended. Now it's 21 days extra. That is now from today to 15th April. So we have got plenty of time. Plenty of time only at home. We should stay at home. So it's a great opportunity for you to utilize and learn many skills. So here am I. I will explore 21 different skills that you can learn staying at home. And you should don't learn all those 21 skills. It's impossible and it's boring. Take any 5, understand those 5 and learn about those 5 and start improving in your life by those 5 skills. And you should be like, at the end of the 21st day, that is on 15th April, you should be like, yes, I did something productive. I did something productive in my quarantine. You should be in that motive. So here am I. I'm going to give a brief glance on those 21 life skills that you can master in this quarantine period. So if you're new to my video or if you're new to my channel, please watch the video completely. This video is going to be long. Please watch the video completely and consider subscribing to my channel. Skill number 1, communication skills and language. You see, this skill is a life skill and you have got 21 days to master this skill. At least you need to cover all the basics. At least you should learn how to communicate, how to interact. But how do you do this? See, there's no need of any person. You are the critic for yourself. Go to the mirror, go stand near the mirror, talk. You will understand the flow of your body. You should understand how the body language is moving there. Okay, you should understand the way you're communicating. The reciprocation is absolutely required. When you understand this, there's no need of another person because you can judge yourself. So first thing, language. This skill will going to affect a lot if you are learning in a better way. Skill number 2, watch TED Talks, watch inspirational talks. I mean, you have YouTube, watch those great personality talks. I mean, you can watch Sadhguru, you can watch Jiddu Krishnamurti talks and explore everything what they have said and reflect it on your own words. This is absolutely needed when you go for a higher company or for a job profile. You need to understand, you should be in a way that you can able to communicate it in your own words. That's what this skill is, something different that no one teaches. Definitely you need to understand the way the speaker is saying and you should know how you can able to communicate it without using the speaker's references. Skill number 3, painting and art. Many people have this ability of drawing many good pictures. I mean, I saw many of my friends draw a very, decent pictures. You try improving that. Try to art in a specific way. Try to picture photographs of some personalities. It will be a great habit because it's a time pass. I mean, that's how you can give you great creative expression with that. So that is skill number 3. Improve your artistic skill. And skill number 4, cooking. See, this time 21 days you are at home, but there are scarcity of food. So don't waste resources. But I suggest if you are really a good cook or if you want to do that, if you want to do something like really yummy or really eatable, then only try cooking. It's more than a skill because it's necessity. So that is skill number 3 and 4, painting and cooking. Skill number 5, get up every day at 5 a.m. Again, I mentioned, you don't need to follow all the 21 skills. Pick any 5. So I personally challenge this skill because this is something very tough for many people. It is still tough for me, and I'm still trying to encounter this skill. Okay, so if you want to learn more about the benefits of getting up early by 5 a.m. or 4:30 a.m. or 6 a.m., watch the videos in YouTube. I mean, watch about the benefits. Read books. I personally suggest, read 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. It is something, it's a game changer. It's a great book. So you read it. You should understand the benefits of getting up at 5 a.m. so that you will be prepared. Your subconscious will be prepared for you because it will automatically tune your mind that you will get up at 5 a.m. That should be the spirit. So I challenge to take up this habit. If you're ready, please mention it in the comment box below. Skill number 6, meditation. I personally never tried it, or I hardly do this, but I think this 21 days will help me to reach that one also. I mean, I'm looking forward to meditate because this 21 days we are isolated, we are having time to spend with our family and ourselves only. So we have got a good time to learn about this meditation and encounter what is this and learn about the future aspects of meditation also. That is skill number 6 for you. Skill number 7. This is by far the most important thing I feel. Especially if you're CS students, if the viewers are CS students, please focus on academics. Especially if you have attempt on this May, please focus on your academics. Don't unnecessarily waste this time. This is gold. This is pure gold. Not only CS students, anyone who are having exams, who thinks that there will be postponement of exams, please don't waste your time. Please focus on academics. That is really equally important also. Skill number 8 and 9 are completely interlinked. What is skill number 8? Passion. See, everybody has a passion. Everybody has something in their mind, something in their heart that they always wanted to do but never did. Maybe it can be singing, writing, it can be drawing, it can be paint, it can be dance, it can be anything. So you have got 21 days of time to excel your skill, excel your passion, improve your passion in such a way that you feel happiness every time you do it. Okay, that is skill number 8. Focus on your passions. What is skill number 9? Improve your writing. Writing is something I always believe that it can change the world. Start writing a story. Imagine the characters. Create the plot. Okay, create the plot. Imagine the characters. You develop your own scene and picture the scene in such a way that your imagination has no limit. This writing should be developed because this is especially for creative minds. Writing gives a pleasure of great happiness. You can't even imagine. The happiness is next level. That is skill number 8 and 9 for you. Skill number 10. Explore YouTube. You see, 99% of world's content is existing in YouTube. And we only watch comedy videos and entertainment videos. Or we click videos with those clickbaits. We don't watch educational videos. We don't watch something that is beneficial. We don't watch personality development videos. But there is something else. You can explore YouTube in a great way. You can learn anything free in YouTube. That's the first thing. Maybe the sources may not be always right, for sure. But YouTube is a great platform for many learners like me. Skill number 11. Learn to interact with family. This was not supposed to be a skill, but this has to be a skill right now in these social media days. We don't even interact with family. We stopped interacting and we stopped everything. We don't even talk properly with our relatives because of the influence of social media. Now it's time. You can talk with phone. You can do video call, but don't go and talk personally. Okay. Don't shake hand and talk because this is not the right time. Okay. This is the period where you should stay alone. But you can talk through phone, right? So in that way, this can be also a great skill. Start and improving your relationships with the relatives and family especially. And skill number 12 and 13 also interlinked. What is skill number 12? Master your bedroom. You see, I know majority of us, especially boys, we keep our room so dirty that no one needs to enter our room. We don't want anyone to enter our room because it's dirty. So you have got time. Now you can arrange your room. Keep your books in a good shelf. Arrange your clothes. Okay. wash your clothes, arrange your clothes, do it everything because you have got time. Okay. And what is skill number 13? Help your mother in household works. Whatever she say, do it immediately. Okay. Fill the water bottles. Do this because this is something that can be useful in future as well. Okay. 14. Learn MS Word, MS Excel or any other computer language or any other computer application whatsoever, Photoshop, whatever, be it. Okay. This is again a life skill. This is a computer age and we should have these skills, and if you don't have this skill, no one is going to hire you. Okay, no one is going to take you. So you have got 21 days, potentially 21 days. Use YouTube again, use any other free apps where they'll teach you personally. Okay, so this will give you a great confidence after the 21 days that yes, I have learned this skill, I know how to do Excel, I know complete MS Word, I know this language. Okay, then you are confident enough and you can face the world brightly. That is skill number 14. And skill number 15, read a book a day. This perhaps may seem very, awkward. How can we read a book a day? Why can't you read? Okay. It's not like you start from the cover page and you end with the tight end notes. Not like that. I personally believe a book can be read according to your own comfort zone, and it's all about grabbing the content, not the number of pages you read. So you can read a book a day or at your own pace, whatever be it, your choice. But extra thing is that watch your mind when you're reading. Okay, observe what is going in your mind when you're reading. What are your reflections on the book? That is most important. Okay, rather than the number of pages you counted, the reflection on the book is most important. Skill number 16, play a game. I prefer carom board or chess. Carom board because it includes family, and chess because it includes your brain. So both these indoor games, if you can able to master, then it will give a great confidence when you face your relatives next time, because your relatives have mastered these skills and they'll come and play with you, and you will feel like a loser when you're playing. But if you learn this skill in 21 days, if you're able to play chess good in 21 days, then you can have a boost of confidence. Okay, so this is a great skill again. Play a game, learn to play and enjoy the game. Okay, not winning and losing. 21 days are day to learn, not about fighting or not about winning. Skill number 17, physical exercise. Simple. If you take this habit, I guarantee that after the 21st day, you will feel excellent. Take 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the evening. Okay, just do incline push-ups. You can lift weight. You can actually do Surya Namaskaras or whatever. Just give pressure to your body for 15 minutes and stay relaxed. Sweat should come out for the 15 minutes and just stay relaxed then after. Don't unnecessarily do 1 hour, 2 hours of body workout, because it gives again a body stretch pain and unnecessary trouble. But what I suggest is, before you do anything, stretch your muscles first, stretch your body, then you start doing, because after you do this, before stretching, then the pain that it will cause is severe. I troubled many times, so I don't want you to trouble in that way. That is why stretch your muscles, stretch your body, then start doing the exercise. Morning 15 minutes and evening 15 minutes. Skill number 18, track your nutrition. We never did this. I guarantee that we never did this. But you have a plenty of time, 21 days. Track your nutrition, what you are eating, what are the calories, what is the amount of calorie I'm eating, what is the best food, what is the best intake I can eat, what are the supply food that I should eat so that my weight gets reduces or I can increase weight. You can track your nutrition. This is a life skill personally, because it will keep you fit and healthy, because more than the physical exercise, nutrition is primary. So that is skill number 18. 19. It's not a skill, but it's a necessity now. Please spread awareness through your Instagram or Facebook or YouTube, whatever medium you can. Please spread awareness that this quarantine is necessary, or this isolation is mandatory now. We are going to support the country and we are against this coronavirus. So spread awareness. If you are in a community, spread awareness through Instagram, to social media. You can do this because it's free. Okay, and moreover, you are being acted as a responsible citizen. Okay, that is that is a necessity. I must say, no more than a skill. Skill number 20. This is I mean this is important. Okay, if you know about Quora app, or if you know the Quora website, there are millions of people who ask many questions. So try writing answers for those questions, because it will help that, what do you say, that communication. You can understand what to answer, what you can research on the topic, and you can answer in a good way. That it means you can increase your following, you can increase your talent in that way. Quora is a brilliant app for this. If you have to improve your research topics, or if you have to give a content based something in that way, then you can use Quora for your writing skill. That is skill number 20. And last skill number 21. Stay safe. Clean your hands. Wash your hands. Use sanitizers. Use handkerchief. Use tissue papers. Use safety masks. Those covering masks. If you are feeling infected only, use those masks, because this is a time to help. This is a time to give to your country, that you are a responsible citizen. This is a time to live, not a time to die. On this auspicious occasion, I would really say, please do our job. We do our job as a citizen of the country, and we fight against this coronavirus and stand united for this country. That is skill number 21. Feel the patriotism. Feel the patriotism always. There's no need that you should run Janaganamana in your mind always. No. Help this country in the crisis situation. Then you did your job. So, these are the 21 skills that you must understand. And the choice is yours. Pick any 5 skills. Pick any 5 skills and try to understand, learn those skills, and improve in your lifestyle. Those 5 skills should come in your lifestyle, and after the 21st day, you must feel like, yes, I did something, I achieved something, I have been productive. And then show the gratitude to yourself, show the gratitude to the country, show the gratitude to your mind, that you have helped me in this 21 days and I have completed my quarantine. Please don't let anyone go out. Please, you don't go out, and stay safe. Happy learning. See you. Bye.